As I've said in previous videos, the car is named Lemon Lime, and the Instagram is at lemonlime63. Guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. It's weird for me. Normally, I already have a video edited before I start working on the next video. And yesterday, I just finished shooting episode 22. So this is going to be episode 23 that we're starting today. But it's a big episode. This episode has been, I want to say, 2 years in the making. I've had to stop building the car and do other things and get to other parts of the car, but here we are. We're getting ready to put this car all together. Plastic surgery, if you want to call it that. Metal fab. But anyways, we're getting to the episode. We're gonna get right to it, and I hope you guys are excited for this episode as I am. Well, guys, you guys are lucky. My dad made 2 episodes in a row. Yeah, this one looks a lot bigger because the other one had the wheel wells were in it, and this one has the wheel wells that are out of it. Because I kept picturing, I was like, we could put the floor in it, but I don't want the quarters sitting on top of the floor and having everything rock and move around and stuff. Well, guys, it's been raining all night, thundering all morning. We are keep pushing on. Tow truck's on the way. You already know what time it is. I rented a smaller box truck yesterday, and as soon as I opened the back door, I was like, oh, I need a bigger one. So, here's what we got so far. We have the floor, we have the rockers, we have a quarter panel, the package tray, everything's strapped in, good to go. I'm not worried about anything falling over. Nothing's gonna get damaged or dented. And I've been cleaning the garage. So I've been making way for this baby to come out. No interruptions. And it's crazy to say it, but it's gonna be so nice when I can eventually have one car. Because if you could see, I've been juggling, walking through places, and anytime I have to get in here and move stuff, it's like I gotta move this car part to get to this car part. But it's kind of a sad moment. It's like this car is gonna be out of here for a while. And it felt weird last night, you know, I got to write on the car. This is the construction stage. I think when a girl is going to have plastic surgery, you know, they put the little dots on you or whatever, cut here, put a couple notes, you know. I know they're going to be busy in the shop, but I want them to not throw this lid away. I want to keep it because I have plans for it. And I have another trunk lid coming, but this is the one I want to do a mock-up on. And I plan on cutting it and doing a lot of metal work and fab work, and we're going to be doing some body modifications to this trunk lid. So that's a little teaser. That's not coming for a while, but just want to fill you guys in. And it's almost like we're saying goodbye. It's kind of a sad moment. Even though I'm super excited, it's kind of a sad moment saying goodbye to this old car, and she's coming back brand new. I can't wait. I sold the doors to a really good friend, which is very funny that if you know this car, you know where those doors are going. And that's all I'm going to say. But I'm getting more room. You know, this corner has been filled with quarter panels and rockers since I moved into this shop. You know, eventually the radiator will be in the car. Up there in that attic space, I have a bunch of car parts. Eventually all of these car parts will be on the car. Eventually this heart will be in the car. I've had this almost 2 years now, 2.5 years. All of those car parts are going on the car. I can't wait to eventually have a garage that I can work in. These seats will be in the car. The more I look around, I realize that my whole shop is just full of car parts. Car parts, car parts. Everywhere you look is car parts. There's car parts over there. But I just want to do a little documentation. I'll see you guys shortly when the tow truck gets here. Well, she got her first bath, but she's here.